Hello, how are you? This time I'm going to show you why Instagram doesn't allow adding music to the stories or reels that we upload in a quick way so you understand the procedure and can apply it and start adding your favorite songs to your content. The first thing we are going to do is open the Instagram app. Once we have the application open, we are going to upload, for example, some content. Let's go here to the part for uploading content to show you what is happening. For example, we are going to upload a reel. Let's upload, for example, this PDF to make the example. Look, if I go to the music section, here several songs will appear, but not really the songs one would want. For example, let's put a well-known artist here.
Maluma.
If I go to search, look, I don't get Maluma songs because in a way the application is restricted so that recognized songs don't appear. For example, I don't know another
Daddy Yankee.
Notice that no Daddy Yankee song comes up either, so I won't be able to use it. Let's exit to show you the procedure. Let's get out of the reel here. For example, also if I'm going to post a story, let's go here to the part of stories. If I'm going to post a story, let's upload this PDF as an example. Let's look for the song. Let's search here. Music, where is it? I don't see it here. Music. In this part, music. Let's use the same example, Maluma. Maluma baby. Notice that Maluma's songs don't appear. So in a way, very generic songs come up that aren't really good. Therefore, our content won't turn out the way we really want. So what are we going to do to be able to use any song from any artist? Let's go to our profile. Pues then we will go here to the settings option. Let's go to privacy settings in this part. Once we are in privacy settings, we will go to business controls and tools. Because I currently have a business account, we will go to this part and look for the option that says change account type. In this part a change account type pala siya, may siya. Wait, several options will appear here. This is where the secret is. If you have a personal account, it might not let you play the music you want. If you have a business account, it is also sometimes very restricted, although this is already being updated and is improving more and more. But then you would have to use a creator account. If we use a creator account, the options to use music from different artists should be activated. So let's go here to change to a creator account. Here it tells us to switch to a creator account. Creator accounts are the ideal option for public figures, content producers, artists, or influencers. So let's select switch. There it is already changing. There it has already changed to the creator account. Let's go to our profile. Here it says your creator account is ready. View profile. Avatar, how to create the avatar, but those are additional steps. If we want to do them, let's go back. So we already have the creator account ready. Let's go back to story to see what happens. Stories, let's upload the PDF again. Let's look for the music. Let punakuwar satis be puput Maluma here again. Maluma, and look, Maluma songs are already showing up here. See, are you seeing them? Look at Maluma's latest tracks. Let's hit play, but just a little to avoid copyright issues.
There's another one.
There are all of Maluma's. So there we are. Let's put on Daddy.
Daddy.
Press OK. Look, there are all the songs by Daddy Yankee. May God multiply what you wish for me. So now all the songs will appear. Look, there are all of Daddy's songs. So this is how you can switch to a creator account to get all the songs from your favorite artists. If for some reason this method didn't work, you need to take this additional step. Let's go back quickly. Let's go to this part where it says edit profile. We scroll down and in the category option, we choose a new category, which would be video creator category. We can try with video creator, which almost always works in this category, and then we save the changes. In this way, Shantouch should definitely work. Here you can see that they have already changed to the category because it just appeared below their name, video creator, as you can see. And with this method, you will now have access to the songs of your favorite artists and all the songs that Instagram has on its platform. So I hope you liked the information, the video, and remember to go to the description where I leave more videos about Instagram so you can learn to use this app to the fullest. And remember to subscribe to stay updated on new content about social networks and Android apps. See you next time. Bye bye.